Can you tell me a little bit about the assessment Ciara received?
Well, the assessment Ciara received concluded that Ciara wouldn't be able for mainstream school, that she would struggle even in a special school, that if she was going to mainstream, she would need to be put in a special class. She wouldn't be able for the level 2 learning programmes, and she certainly wouldn't be able for any mainstream curriculum like the Leaving Cert.
And how did that make you feel as a parent?
Well, as parents, having thought that we knew our daughter better than anyone else, we began to question ourselves. We began to question the fact that we had put her in mainstream school, primary school in the first place. And it made us question all the decisions we had made and the expectations we had of Ciara up to that point.
And can you tell me a little bit about how Ciara managed in mainstream school?
Ciara managed fantastically in mainstream school. Ciara did the level 2 learning programmes. She did TY, where she did work experience. She went to the Gaeltacht. She did jobs as part of her TY programme, and then she went on and did the Leaving Cert Applied, in which she scored a distinction.
And what advice would you give to parents in a similar situation?
The advice I would give to parents that are having any assessment of their child is, you know your child better than anybody. Don't set expectations low. Don't accept what the so-called professionals are saying, and just stick to your instincts and aim high and have high expectations of your child, and the sky's the limit.